The Hawk and the Nightingale. Once upon a time, a hawk was flying through the night air, looking for something to eat. Hawks are big, strong birds. They eat smaller birds. Unfortunately, a poor nightingale happened to be out on the same night. Nightingales are small birds. They are famous for their pretty songs. The hawk grabbed the nightingale with its claws. Claws are the sharp, curved nails on the feet of birds. The nightingale realized that it was about to be eaten. And the nightingale said, "Please, Mr. Hawk, don't eat me. I can't die. My songs are too beautiful for me to die. Why, even the king himself loves to listen to my songs. If you let me go and don't eat me, I will sing the most beautiful song for you." "A song?" said the hawk. "But I'm hungry. What use is a song? Will a song fill up my stomach?" "But I won't fill up your stomach either," said the panicked nightingale. "I am such a small bird. I am too small to make a meal for a big bird like you. You should wait until you find a bigger bird." "A bigger bird would be nice," said the hawk, "but I don't know when I will be able to find another bird. And I have you now. It would be stupid of me to let you go." And so the hawk ate the nightingale. The moral of the story is, you cannot bargain with someone who is stronger than you.